Now, most of you may know Ring from the Ring doorbell and security cameras, but they have entered the car with the Ring car cam. Let's go check it out. There it is, right on the dashboard. This is the device, and this is powered directly from the car's battery. It is plugged into what's called the OBD2 port. Now, most cars have this after the year of 1996. There are some exceptions, like the Tesla, so it may not work for that type of car, but you've got it right here. It's got two cameras, one on either side. Then, as you can see, there's this little privacy latch. When you pop this up, it mutes the microphone and shuts off the inner camera, but it still will record from the camera looking out. So this is obviously for theft, carjackings, accidents, but let's find out some more. Hey, I'm here with CEO of Ring, Jamie Siminoff, to learn more about Ring Car Cam. I'm very excited about this product. Tell me more about what it was like bringing the Ring camera into the car.
So it's kind of funny because it was a product that I actually didn't want to do. Our mission is around making neighborhoods safer, and people kept coming to me and saying we should do a car camera, and I'm like, it's not our business. Our business is around the home and the neighborhood. But customers kept emailing me. My email's on every box, and they kept emailing me saying we need it because my car was broken into in front of my house. It was vandalized here, and I realized that protecting the car was actually a neighborhood thing, and the car camera we could build is one that does it in a Ring way, and that did not exist.
So tell me about what are some of the features and the design ideology that set the Ring car cam
So
apart?
it's a dash cam at its base. So like it's a normal, like what you'd expect a dash cam to do if you're driving around, like it'll video, like that stuff. But what it really does is when you're parked in front of your driveway at night, if someone was to open the door, it'll give you a motion alert. You can see and talk to them like Ring. So it's just like what Ring did to the front door with protecting your home, with being always home, with really connecting you to this asset or this thing that's so important to you. A car is very important to people. It's not just like a product or a cost. It's like actually very important. It takes them to work. It takes their kids to school.
And so I know you can use the Amazon Assistant in order to trigger it to start recording.
Correct.
But what are some of the other ways that it will record on its own?
So it's you can set it up so when it's driving, it'll record, again, just like a regular dash cam. It then, when you're parked, this is the big thing, it's like the protection mode. So if someone comes near the car, it's gonna start recording, so you're gonna get that video. It goes up to the cloud. So if someone did actually wanna take your car and broke into it and took the dash cam and threw it out, we already have now all the footage that you need. And so it's taking that dash cam base, which would have all the features you'd expect, and then bringing all like the sort of Ring and what a security camera we know now would do in a home into the car.
And can you tell me about the user experience on the app, what that looks like, how they're interacting with it?
So again, I think what's great is it sort of brings that consumer first UI. So it is our normal Ring app. You get to see the video, search back to see what's going on, get alerts on your phone. So it is, I'd say, what you expect now from the consumer side of a camera in your home is now what you're going to get on your car. You can also link them together. So if the car camera goes off, you could have the floodlight camera on top of the garage go off. So it is like all linked together now, your home and your car.
And I know with other Ring cameras in the past, like police would have to put out like a public request for footage. Is that the same case for this, or does that change at all?
Correct. It'd be the same case and the same privacy protection you would get on this as with anything else.
Does it differ at all the way that the Ring camera uses the footage versus the home, or is it all the same sequence?
So it's basically, it looks like another camera in your Ring. The only difference is this one has two cameras. So like when you're scrubbing, you're gonna see like a front and a back. But other than that, it really is, it just feels like another, your front door camera, your rear camera, your car camera. So now you have all your sort of cameras in a list, so you can see what's going on.
And can you tell me about some of the privacy features on it?
So one of the greatest privacy features is we did like a little, and again, I think one of the best things about privacy is having it be manual, so have it physical. So we have a physical shutter, it disables the microphones, and you literally just like click it around, and now the rear facing camera is now obscured and can't be seen.
If you want to check this out yourself, it's going to be available February 15th. Pre-orders started today. And they are $200 right now for a limited time and going to be
$249 is the MSRP.
All right, thank you so much.
Hey, thank you.
All right. For more on CNET, make sure you subscribe. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.